Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from 2-Minute Tutorial. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bing AI to write an essay for you. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will need to open up your Microsoft Edge browser. So go ahead and open it up. Now just type in bing.com in the address bar and press enter. Now if you haven't signed into your Microsoft account already, you will see a sign up button instead of your email account here. Just click on the sign in button and proceed with logging into your account. And now you can click on the chat button and you will be able to access the Bing AI chat. Now you can choose your conversation style from more creative and more precise or a more balanced approach. Now let's choose the creative approach. Now let's just give it a simple topic and press the enter button to provide our command. And now as you can see, the Bing AI chat is providing me with the response that I can use for my essay. It will also provide you the websites from where it is sourcing all of these information. So this is really important if you want to cite your references. Now you can also provide more tailored commands in terms of what you want your essay to specialize in. And based on your specifications, Bing AI will provide the best tailored response for you. And as you can see, even all of the references are cited. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to make Bing AI write an essay for you. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.